Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use trim and quick trim command in CATIA. Today you can see here CATIA lecture 12 is discussed here. CATIA lecture 12 is only 2 point discussed here, trim and quick trim. Okay, at first open a CATIA software and this is a CATIA software interface, and you can see here this is a trim command in use, trim command and quick trim command in 2 point discuss here. Okay, this is a at first select a line. Double click and draw a line. Double line click here and double line click here. One line click here, this. At first select a trim command. This is a trim command in use. First two line is dark and two line is a construction. You can see here the two line is a dark. First and second line dark means first line select and second line a select, then all line is a delete here, all line is a trim here, but two line is remaining and all line is a delete here. First line and second line. This point is a this point is a first line click this point is, and this line is connect, then other line is a delete here, and this point is, this line is a connect, then other point is a delete here. Next point is a quick trim. Quick trim is very important in CATIA software, but 3 point is pop up. First is break and rubber in, second is break and rubber out, third is break and keep. The first trim is very important, and trim command is very important. Quick trim is very important and use a large number of product design, 3D, any 2D drawing, a product design. Quick trim is this point is a select here and this is a delete, and double click and this point and this is a delete here. Delete. And this point is a delete, and this and this. This point is very important, and this point is a delete here, this point is a delete here, this point is a delete here. And a line is draw here, and this line and this line, then quick trim is use, and this is a this point is a quick, and this point is a select a break point is discuss here. This point agar delete here, this point is a delete. Guys, trim and quick trim is very important, and 2 point is discussed here. And next lecture, CATIA lecture 13 coming soon. Guys, thank you.